Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these kitchen utensils that I got sent out for review. This is really great because it includes 40 pieces in this little box. It includes an apron and some pieces that you will never think of. It includes also the parts that you will need to use them. Also, besides the utensils, you will also get measurement cups and measurement spoons as well. Also, it includes the part where you will be putting them once that you are not utilize them. Whatever you can think of, you will get here. The handles are made of wood on the spoons that you get, and the rest of the measurement cups and the measurement spoons will be made of plastic. Okay, so you can organize them in these vase that it includes as well, and also the other part. I love that it includes the apron, and every spoon or spatula that you will get also has a hole in it. So if you want to hang it on this utensil stand, you can also use it. Also, you can use the utensil holder for some of the measurement cups or some of the spoons or spatulas or turners that you have as well. I love everything that it includes because it also includes this utensil holder, the apron, and some oven mitts. It also includes 10 pieces of hooks and some dough scrapers.